before we start our lesson, let's have a drill. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, you are going to reduce the fractions to lowest term. So now the first fraction is 12 over 30. Okay, 24 over 60. Very good. 6 over 15. Okay, very good. And now let's proceed. And now kids, let's proceed to our next activity, wherein you are going to write here on the little board, wherein we have a row number of boys, number of girls, number of pupils in a row. So I want you to look around and count how many of you. So are you ready now, kids?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So Desiree, you do first. You answer first, okay? Okay, next. Jandi, it's your turn. The number of boys. How many boys are there in your class? Okay, next, Dong. How many girls? And the last one is number of pupils in a row. How many are you in a row? Okay, very good. Let's see what is your answer. So row number is only 1, number of boys is 2, number of girls is only 1, and the number of pupils in a row are 3. So there are 3 of you all in all. Class, after answering, so how many pupils are there in your row? Desiree? 3. There are 3 pupils. So, and how do you compare the number of boys to the number of girls in your row, Jandi?
2 boys, 1 girl.
Okay, there are 2 boys and 1 girl. How about you, Dong? How did you visualize the number of pupils in your row?
By counting them.
Okay, you did count them. Very good. And now let's proceed to our lesson. So, what do you think will our lesson be today? Do you have any idea?
No.
What, Jandi? Do you have any idea, Jandi? Huh? Okay, no, you don't have any idea. So, our lesson for today is all about ratio.
And now let's watch this video to know more about ratio. Are you ready, kids?
Understand ratios, you just need to understand this simple story. Gaurav and Jay used to receive chocolates from a mysterious magic hand every day. But the magic hand was a little biased towards Jay. Every time it gave 2 chocolates to Gaurav, it gave 3 to Jay, 2 to Gaurav and 3 to Jay. Nobody knew why. Of course, Jay did not complain. So the ratio of the number of chocolates Gaurav got to the number of chocolates Jay got is written as 2:3 or 2 divided by 3. This can be read as 2:3. We are basically comparing the number of chocolates Gaurav got to the number of chocolates Jay got. This went on for quite a few days. So every time the magic hand gave 2 chocolates to Gaurav, it gave 3 chocolates to Jay. Now let's count the total number of chocolates each of them have. Gaurav has 4 and Jay has 6. The ratio now becomes 4/6. The magic hand again gives Gaurav 2 chocolates and Jay 3 chocolates. Now the total number of chocolates with Gaurav is 6 and the total number of chocolates with Jay is 9. So the ratio becomes 6/9. Both these ratios, when simplified, will give us 2/3. In every case, the ratio has remained the same. What does this mean? If we multiply 2 with 2 and 3 also with 2, we get 4/6. If we multiply 2 with 3 and 3 with 3, we will get 6/9. And similarly, if you multiply 2 with 4 and 3 with 4, we will get 8/12, which is again equivalent to 2/3. So all the 3 ratios are equal to 2/3. What does all this mean? It means that if the ratio of 2 quantities is 2/3, then the quantities will be multiples of 2 and multiples of 3 respectively, and not necessarily just 2 and 3. A few students have this confusion that the ratio of 2 by 3 will mean Gaurav has just 2 chocolates and Jay just 3 chocolates. If the ratio is 2 by 3, then the quantities will be in the form of 2x and 3x, where 2x and 3x are multiples of 2 and 3. So ratio is basically a comparison of quantities. But there is a bit more to comparison of quantities. We see that next.
Now kids, with your activity or your application, I want you to put the ratio of the given two numbers into the objects that I will be giving to you. So are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, very good.
5 stones on 1 plastic bag. 10 rubber bands on 1 hand. 8 oil pastel on the compartment.
Kids, did you have fun with the activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and now let's proceed to your assessment and let's see if you did learn something. So I want you to answer the following. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Answering, kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please give me your answers. Wow, they are all correct. And after your assessment, before going home, I want you to copy your assignment. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Goodbye, kids. Thank you.